RBM TV show.
Let's assemble a little train. Wow, that train looks great. Let's set off. Welcome aboard Baby Bus Train. I'm your captain, Kiki. The train is about to start. Let's set off. There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. Station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Hi, here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Scissors. Hammer. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Knife. Hammer. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Knife. Lighter. Thank you. The passengers are on board. Keep going. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the inspection station. Let's check the train. The train is dirty. Let's give it a good clean. Good job. Let's continue on our way. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. Tap on the sheep to drive them away. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus, little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus, little train. Hi, we're about to go on baby bus, little train. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find knife. Firecrackers. Thank you. Here's my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Knife. Hammer. Thank you. The passengers are on board. Keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. I need this one. Thank you. Thank you. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission